This is from my experience going to Korea. From what I've observed, specifically older Koreans, they won't try their best to understand what you're saying.
Siyempre, you're speaking in English and there's a complete language barrier.
Nung time na galing nga kaming airport, hindi namin alam gagawin. So, nagtanong kami ng taxi, tapos parang ganito lang mukha niya sa amin. It was in the middle of the night. No cars honking. Pinapakita na namin yung papago namin. Tapos buti na lang, may taxi na nasa likod. Tapos lumapit sa amin, tinulungan kami. So pinasakay na kami. Noong time na nakarating na kami sa Airbnb, magbabayad na kami. So meron silang pwedeng magbayad ng credit card. So ini-insert ko. Tapos hindi tinatanggap. Nung nakailang ulit na, from his seat, ginanito kami Tapos nagtinginan kami ng friend ko. Sabi namin, no, sinabi namin, can we pay in cash? Sabi niya. Oo, very culture shock.